Recently, I posted about these budget Amazon 2-channel cable ramps on the Facebook page, and that inspired some comments and questions. I have larger Yellow Jacket style cable ramps, but they aren't always practical. This is not a sponsored video. They didn't supply these. I bought these with my own money. I figured these would be good for gigs in the park where you have a power cable, maybe DMX, and an Ethercon cable to run, protecting cables from foot traffic, baby strollers, golf carts, and four-wheelers. And they certainly seem like they'd be fine for autos, too. Also good for keeping cables neat on stage. They're approximately 38.5 inches long, 9.5 inches wide, and each channel is about 1.25 inches wide. Not only big enough for Ethercon cables, but here's a 28-channel multi-pair cable and power easily fitting. They're made from a very hard rubber that's stiff enough to hold its shape, but still allows some give so as not to crack under pressure. The lid can flex a small amount, which should also be good to keep it from cracking. The hinge pin fits tightly, and it's not rigid, so it can absorb some weight without breaking. It also appears they added some adhesive to the pin, which keeps the pin from falling out. I've seen other types of these ramps where the hinge pin can fall out. They interlock together, and they use T-shaped connectors. Essentially, I was convinced the price was too good to pass up, and so I bought a few of these. But the question of just how strong these are, if push comes to shove, was one I decided to test. So cue up the loaded 26-foot International box truck. Let's just see how one of these can handle that. And it came through unscathed. Still working like it should. If it can take that, it can definitely handle the light-duty uses of small fair and festival gigs, on-stage cable management, and the like. Perfect to protect AES 50 cables for Behringer X32 and Midas M32 interconnects. These are branded VVOR. I'll put a link to these down below. Here's another video you might want to check out. Likes and subscribes always appreciated. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the Patreon members, and I will see you next time.